This is Brett Moomey with SkipperBud's Yacht Sales. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2023 Scout 255 Dorado. Boat is in perfect shape. Just had new sea deck flooring installed. The hull is like new, sitting on a custom aluminum I-beam trailer. Swing tongue, dual disc brakes. Walk you around the exterior, then I'll pop top side and show you the interior. There's that gray sea deck, powered by Mercury Cold Fusion, 200 horsepower, 4 strokes. And moving top side, you can see an upgraded interior vinyl. Obviously the very upgraded engines to the 200 dual 200s in the matching white. There's a fresh water system on this boat. The owner opted for a custom anchor washdown system in the bow. Yeti cooler on a slider with a sink here. Upgraded audio system. Interior accent blue lights, forward and aft spreader lights, large bait well, the transom, added Quick Pro fender release system. This seat is on a power slide, so it'll slide to join this seat, and the backrest folds out to make a nice lounge. You can see that in the photos attached. Nice large helm seat with large armrest on a bolster, subwoofer underneath, power battery charger hookup. There's only 27.8 engine hours. Glencoe trim tabs with indicator switch, nice locking glove blocks, full controls, upgraded DTS binnacles and engines, audio system controls right at the helm. You do get a nice preset, so you can preset up to 4 different options for turning on systems. Leave all your lights on and then walk away and hold the switch and power down your batteries. This boat's enclosed or optioned with a ton of canvas, so there's a full boat cover, mooring cover. There's an enclosure option, and then there's also an enclosure option with the drop curtain that goes to the back. So you have 3 different covering options for this boat. Awesome wraparound seating in the bow. Nice stainless mounts everywhere. Nice non-skid all around. Again, that upgraded audio system. And then a completely sealed stem for your windlass and the optional bow ladder. And very nice head. The sink in there as well. Reference the listing for full list of option sheets. This boat is currently located in our showroom in Grand Haven, Michigan, and is in excellent condition.